I think we need diversity and different perspectives. It could be artists, it can be women, it can be men. Life is colorful and you need the dark colors to appreciate the light, and you need light colors to endeavor the darkness.
We are very honored to welcome Lovisa Hamrin, one of the most influential business leaders from Sweden, to share her personal leadership story with us.
Her talk will address one of the most pivotal issues in the future of work, the need for more women leaders in organizations.
We are well aware that leadership plays a crucial role in promoting, living and utilizing diversity.
Building bridges is important because business make it happen and academia make it happen in a wise way. The forum is needed, bringing people together and ask good questions that hasn't been asked.
In time of lots of technology, I think it's important to have times like today to stop and think and share. And it's really nice to see such a crowd to really care about the topics that I would say is really important for us for the future.
It is about respect, it is about caring about the other person, it is about appreciation, it's about compliment. Let me put it simple, to be more human.
You need somebody who believes in you. So it's super important also as a leader to believe in your people. Be proactive, be creative, together with your people, make them feel part of it.
What she says and how she tells it to people and what her insights are, it's very important to have leaders like her for a good future of work.
A call to action that very much resonates with our ambition to build a global people innovation ecosystem to shape a more human future of work.